I'm happy to see you for circle time today. Let's start with our hello song. Hello, hello, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? My name is... Great job. Remember to use all your words. Okay, let's sing our days of the week. I want you to clap along with me. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Okay, now let's do our months dance. Ready? January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November and December. 12 months of the year. Woo, woo! Okay, time to count. Today let's count really slow. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and today is number 11. Today is Thursday, June 11th. Great job, friends. Okay, let's get our circles ready. Circle time is all done, all done, all done. Circle time is all done. Now it's time for play.